Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuss by Reggie, back with another video, and I'm gonna try not to be here long. First of all, I got another client on the way. Second of all, it's not a lot to say, right? So, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. Today we are just gonna go over a quick review of the Red Pro from Red by Kiss. Kiss, the company that makes all the color and all that stuff, right? That's what we're gonna talk about. So this is, I actually got this from them. They sent it to me in a package that when I did my unboxing, I explained the package that they usually send me every now and then, every month. They'll send me something and I have some of their color in there, and they have different brushes. I got a couple of, but anyway, it'll be a few things in there. But this was a corded trimmer. Now, I didn't know when this came out, but somebody did put in the comments that it's actually been out for a little while, but they just actually sent it to me like 2 months ago. So me trying it, it's new to me, but like I said, somebody said that it actually has been out for over a year, 2 years or so. So it's a corded trimmer. The price of this trimmer is $59.99, right? So with the price alone, you're looking at a pretty decent, it's more in the home, like the either a budget barber or home cutter that's just doing lineups at home, or just trying to cut, just learning to cut, or just keeping the kids and themselves together. That's more of that price point. But anyway, in this package, you do get the trimmer, 7,200 RPM, magnetic motor, 8-foot cord, swivel cord, hanging hook, the 360 T-blade and all that good stuff. Yeah, all right. So this is the product. And of course, like I said, it does put you in the mind of the T and the Andes T outliner. In this package, you get no accessories. You do get the cleaning oil, right? And of course, the price is the price. But I don't use the trimmer blade, the trimmer guards anyway, but they don't even give you the trimmer guards. They don't give you a cleaning brush. It's kind of looks like the cord, the trimmer, a pamphlet, and some clipper oil, which, cool. Not asking for a lot, don't need a lot, but you know, with the way of everything is, you get used to opening packages and getting certain things in packages, but when you are paying at a certain price point, maybe you're not expecting to get that, or maybe you're not even looking for that. So this is not that if that's what you are looking for, all right? It's a patented heat vent system. Yeah, all that good stuff. This is the package. It was a simple package. When you open it, oh, if I can get it back open. When you open it, it did come with like a plastic tray that had it in. I don't even have that plastic tray no more. I threw it away. But anyway, the usage. Fresh out the box, it was like on certain hair, it would give okay lineups, right? Nothing, I'm talking about nothing crispy at all, right? So it wasn't out the box ready to go. Going against bulk, terrible. Like against thick hair, it was terrible. It was not it was not good for balding out unless the hair was a little bit thinner, unless the hair was a little bit softer. Then it could go through it. It would still be a process, but then it could go through it. You would just have to slow down on going through the hair. It's not good for bulk removal, right? On a bald head, once you get if you got like the way that my hair is now, it would be okay to get it clean, but it's not gonna be your Babyliss FX. It's not gonna be your Stylecraft Flex. It's not gonna be that to get it close. You get what I'm saying? So doing lineups with this fresh out the box, not hitting at all, wasn't happy with it whatsoever. So I did set it, and opening it up, setting it, it's very simple. It's pretty much just like the Andes, the T outliner, right? So I did set it a little bit. After I got it set, now I'm pretty sure I can mess with it a little bit, get it closer, but I'm not trying to get my trimmers. I'm not at the point now where I zero gap my trimmers. I don't want them so close, but I got this one pretty close, right? And then after I got it where I wanted it, the lineups were a little bit more easier to come by, right? It still wasn't giving me my tap and go. It's not smooth with, you know, when you're doing C cups, you want it to glide. You know what I'm saying? You want that corner of your blade to glide so you can get that to pop off, or going around the ears. It was decent. It gave me decent lines. Again, still not giving me that fresh, that oh, this is gonna take over my station. This is definitely a trimmer that I should get, right? And then once we get to balding out, it did a little bit better, but it's still not good with, and I know it's the blade. The motor of it is pretty decent, but it wasn't going through bulk. It wasn't giving me crisp lines. It wasn't tap and go. Even after setting it, it's just, this blade here is not it. It gives you that look of what you might be used to, but this blade on here is not it. This is the sound. Not loud at all, but it is corded. So you do that. That is the good part about corded trimmers and clippers. Now we do have charging docks. We have the Tune 45 power strip. We have the crazy good charging box. A lot of trimmers and clippers come with charging docks, but the good thing about these the corded trimmers is they never die. They always keep that full power. So even when people be like, well, my trimmer is cordless and it keep the full power the whole time, this is never losing that power. You know what I'm saying? As long as you plugged up, especially these with the 3-prong, you get a little bit more juice to them with them thicker cords and stuff. So you get a little bit more push. But this is a home buy. If you are a barber that is on a budget and you just want to cut and you just cutting at the crib, or if you are a father or a mother who just want to have something to keep everything clean on the kids, yourself, your neck, cleaning your beard, keeping your line clean, this is perfect for the house. Because, not saying you're not looking for those crisp lines, but a lot of people that just want to clean their head at the house, or they want just to line themselves up, or just keep themselves together, either doing it yourself or between your barber visits. This will be pretty good for you, although you can probably still buy better ones for a little bit more. Maybe get the Andes trimmer, the T-outliner. It's corded, but it's a little bit more, maybe $30 more. You will go with that. But if you are on a budget and if you want to just try something, this will be good. But if you are a barber in the shop looking for that tap and go, that movement, in my opinion, I don't think this is it. All right, that's just my opinion. Again, I think if I put, and when I do reviews, people be like, well, if you put this blade on there, if you do this, I'm pretty sure if I put another blade on it and sharpen it and all that stuff, I can get it to get where I want it. But when I do this, telling you how I feel about it, it's more or less on how it is. And how it is I don't think the barbers who are day in, day out chopping, and you have already used the Flex, you have already used the Babeless FX, you have already used the Andes T-outliner, you have already used the Instinct, even the Coco, this is not going to be a buy for you to keep at your station. Maybe as a backup, maybe just in case, or if you want to get it and put an Andes blade on there or put something else on there, then maybe that'll work. All right. But for me, I don't think it's nothing you need to rush out to buy. I don't think it's nothing you even need to look at. And that is the T-shaper from Red Pro, Red by Kiss. They got a couple names. The name honestly depends on the product that you get, because the clippers and stuff is Red Pro. The color is Red by Kiss. You know what I'm saying? So then you got, but either way, that's my opinion on this Red Pro Edgelining T-shaper. So I give it a no. Nothing you need to look at. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. If you did not see my last giveaway, I had the wall barber giveaway. I had other people ask me when am I gonna do another one. I don't know when I'm gonna do a small one again, but I do know I have a big one planned, and we're not close to it yet. But I do have a big plan, a big giveaway planned at 20,000 subscribers. So I think we're at like 12 something now. So the closer we get, the more info that we'll give out on the 20,000 subscriber giveaway. All right. Follow me on Instagram for other giveaways and other information. And yeah, we'll be back. Peace.